Dear DJI, when we talk to plants and we give them some love, they grow. You know this was a leaf and it grew into a nice plant? Takes time. Well, the Osmo Action 4, when we use the transmitter and the OA4, we hit the record button, there's no more buzz, vibration on the transmitter. Disappeared on your latest firmware. Now, in order to switch on over to the Pocket 3, I'm going to have to go into the camera, go to the cog, to the mic, set back up. Just simply hold the pair button. We're disconnected and we're going to pair. I don't think that's difficult. And if I wanted to pair to this bad boy, I just simply hold the record button and we switch over. Two things here. Let me switch back over to the Osmo Pocket 3. And I'm going to hit the pair button. Do we go to record? There we go. We're recording. No buzz, no vibration. Now, it would be nice to have that vibration back on here. So this way we know we are recording. I have no idea if I'm back over here recording. And it'd be nice if we could hold the record button, go from the Pocket 3 to the Osmo Action 4 to the DJI receiver and then back. It'd be nice if we hold the record button, a single buzz that would connect it to this, a double buzz that would connect it to that, and a triple buzz that would connect it to that one when you're holding the record button. Oh, I forgot. If you short press, it buzzes. So you can do what we're asking for. It does a double buzz. Single buzz for on, double buzz for off. Right, so here, listen for yourself. You hear that? That works. My African violet, you're going to flower soon. You probably flower before DJI fills our request out. They hear us, but it won't happen again. It's like taking a step forward and 2 steps backward and back a step forward, and we're still not where we need to be at. I'm Fish. I'm sorry that I had to say it out loud this way to the world. Maybe somebody's going to listen. Not the perfect mic in the world. I got issues with them as well. This mic got an issue now because it don't tell me with the buzzing like it used to. It's hit and miss now. You give us something and now you take it away. And on that note, have a great day, people. You want that feature reinstated? Post down below. Let DJI know. They're listening.